Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. What surprised me the Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. What surprised me the most is how